Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the title below, in today's video, I'm going to show you all a very quick hands-on with the HONOR Magic 7 Pro, right here. Now, obviously because of embargoes, the phone is not yet launched and I'm not allowed to share with you any specifications, but if you are hardworking, you can actually go and Google them out. Anyways, today's video is just going to be a very quick hands-on to show you the design. I have two colorways here with me today, so let's head over to the desk and let's check out these beautiful phones. Let's go! Alright guys, so now that we are at the desk, let's take a closer look at what we get here with the HONOR Magic 7 Pro. I've already done the unboxing, so I'm not going to go through that, but essentially you get the devices. Two colorways here, the grey and the light blue. But here's the 100-watt charger that came in the box, and you do have those casings, which I'll show y'all later. Anyway, here's the grey version, guys. I mean, whoo, look at that. It looks really good, and if you check that out, if I just tilt the device from side to side, you might notice that it comes with a couple of textures at the back. It's completely smooth, by the way, and I think this has got to be the cleanest design to ever come out of HONOR. Look at that. So we have here flat frames at the side now. It's more prominent than before, and although it's still slightly curved at the back panel, it gives for a very good hold in hand. Now the camera design has also been slightly updated. Check that out. It's very circular and it's a very refined kind of look compared to its predecessor. But overall, if you just take a look at how the entire design goes, you can see that it's very minimalist and it looks very nice. So this is the light blue version. There's also going to be one in white and black. But personally, I think this guy here takes the cake. Look at how nice this is. Anyway, let me show you the display real quick because I can't talk about the specs, but I can show you all the display. Now we have here a very similar looking display, and I think one very important point is about how minor, how tiny that slight curve is on the sides here, because some of y'all who game don't really like the sides being curved too much. I think it's perfect. It actually allows you to swipe very nicely on the sides and all around. Yep, we still get that peel sort of like a notch at the top as well. But yeah, this is basically how it looks like. At the bottom, you got your Type-C port, the SIM card tray, a couple of speakers top and bottom, and that's basically it. Let me know which colorway you guys prefer, this, or black or white. And oh yeah, actually I can show you very quickly the cameras itself. Now let me just play around with the zoom so you all can roughly see that. So I think this is still in its beta kind of software. It's not the final one, so it might not be super smooth and all that. But y'all can just take a quick look here how nicely it zooms in. Let's go all the way to 100. Whoa, look at that, guys. You can see almost the threads of that toy. So yeah, very excited for this device. Oh, I did mention that I'll show you all the casings. This round, we have here very nice casings, guys. This looks like some kind of pastel looking case, and I think it fits them very nicely. In previous phones, they always give you that crappy, transparent silicone case, but HONOR is stepping up their game here. I particularly like the gray one. Look at that, guys. This is a case you are going to want to wear. Woo, look at that. Nice. Very nice. Covered all around, the edges as well as the buttons as well. So yeah, there you go. Alright guys, so there you go, a very quick hands-on with the brand new HONOR Magic 7 Pro. Again, I personally think they look so much better than before. I'm not sure, maybe it's because of the flat frames, the more cleaner back panel design. But yeah, very excited for this to launch here. Let me know what you think about this particular device down in the comment section below. Again, thank you for joining me on this very quick video. I've got to head out for a flight right now, so I'll see y'all in the next one. Do take care, stay safe, and enjoy your year end. Bye-bye.